Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got SheModern Old Meets New collaboration. This is hosted by Cherie and Karina on Instagram. Our theme this month was Spring Flowers. I'll be using the Betty Cora long coffin tips today, as my nails are still in the process of recovering. This is Danny Viana Brindle. It was a gift with a purchase on one of my orders. It's a beautiful white polish with like some little flecks in there. Very, very nice. Thought it would be perfect for the background for this manicure today. First coat on, let it dry for a moment while I did the other ones, and here we go with the second coat. Very, very nice, very lovely. Going a little backwards because I can, because I'm using nail tips. I'm going to top it with the INM Out the Door. Y'all see my big honking ring I got from Temu? It's perfect for a flower mani. Oh, I'm just so hooked. So hooked on the rings on the Temus. Alright, next we got Maniology MXM 104. I'm going to use these flowers. My clear jelly stamper from SheModern and my SheModern scraper. I'll be using opaque pink, opaque yellow, opaque orange, opaque red, and opaque green sticky stamping polishes, as well as the black. Yes, indeed. Now I've got to get this film off the stamping plate, so I've got Woody here to help me. Hi Woody, how you doing? Woody is my orange wood stick if you're new. So I'm getting this film off. We're going to clean it with some acetone and get it ready. Now I made a big boo-boo on this one, and I know you'll understand. I'm going to leave it in. I'm going to show you how I kind of repair it. So I've cleaned my plate with acetone, and now I'm wiping it with a little lint-free wipe with some alcohol. I'm going to go in on the leafery, or the greenery, on this flower right here, down over that area, and then go over the main part of the flower in the orange. Give it a scrape, and then I'm going to pick that image up and use a little piece of tape to get up the excess, and then I'm going to line it up on this nail tip here. I will put these on my fingers at the end of the video and show you some swatch photos. Look y'all, I knocked it over. Yep, I left that in too. I want you guys to know I am super real. It's almost like a Three Stooges event over here. Now this is where I'm messing up, but I haven't realized it yet. Anybody know what I'm doing wrong here? Yep, I'm doing the outline instead of the base. And I'm just bebopping along like nothing's, it's because I don't know. In my brain, I'm thinking I'm doing right. And I put it on the nail and I think, oh, that looks so pretty. Guys, I swear. Okay, and here we go. I'm putting the greenery on this one. This is like a daffodil. Some people, I think, call them buttercups. Going in with that yellow. Just kind of dragging it around a little bit. Going to give it a scrape. And yeah, a little bit of the green does get on the petals, but I've always been okay with that. It's just, it's just the thing that happens sometimes. But I still think it works out fine. I think they look really pretty, even if the colors muddle up a little bit. It's still good stuff. Okay. So get my stuff ready for the next one. And here it comes. We're getting the green on the leafery. And this is when I realized, just dawned on me. Yep, I just realized, oh girl, you messed that one up. So, cleaning that off. I'm going to clean this all off. Because see, I start to do the other one wrong also. So, we're going to go ahead and do this one. And then we're going to go back and fix the other one. This actually looks like a zinnia to me. A zinnia. I know people say it differently. Depends on where you're at. But I was so excited about this. We've had some touch and go warm weather here. And I'm getting really excited about getting in the yard and planting flowers in my garden and everything. So I was really excited for this prompt this month. All right, so we're going to do a little bit of fixing here. Going to go back and I'm just going to go over what's already down. I'm going in with the red and the green again for this rose image. And we're going to scrape it and put that as the background right over top of the outline. It's okay though. And technically I could have got another tip out and just totally redone it. If it had been on my natural nails, I would have had to have redone it. Or just do what I'm doing right here. So I'm going to go line it up and try to go over the same image. And then now let's do some cleanup so we can do our outlining. Going to get this plate clean. I'm loving my new claw from Maniology. It's just working out fabulous. And now we're going to do the outlines in black. Really, really stoked about this one. Even though I messed up, I'm still okay with it. Now this one, I think I really should have just stopped and like re-scraped it because I didn't think I did a good job scraping it. The lines look kind of fat. But we're still going to get a little bit of that orange and green poking out, so we just going to roll with it. Not my favorite out of this manicure. This one was not my favorite. I did like the rose. The rose turned out pretty. And I don't get as much time to play in my nail room as I used to. I don't know why. I haven't figured it out yet. But, so I don't... Normally when I'm going with something, I have to roll with it. I have to just keep going. Because the day I did this manicure, I did like 2 or 3 other ones too. And so, when I make boo-boos, I just roll with it. Just like I would if I was doing them on my own nails. So, you have it. Right here from the girl's mouth. She's fessing up and telling you all her secrets. Mine might not be the prettiest manicure in the collab. But the way I look at it is, at least I met my commitment. And I think the daffodil turned out pretty good. And this other one turns out pretty good too, but it's just on such a tiny nail. It's so skinny that it's not as pretty as it would have been if I'd put that image on another nail. But something had to go on the pinky, right? So here we go. Try to line it up. And stick it down. Ta-da! Alright, get my mess cleaned up here. I cleaned my stamper off on a lint roller. And I'm cleaning the plate off with some acetone. I do have some of the clear jelly stamping plate cleaner. And I just haven't... I gotta find a pump container to put it in. I'll be using the SheModern Sealer Stamping Clear Matte Watercolor Jelly Polish to top these. And you use very little. I almost wiped the brush dry. I will have to go back in for some more because these are some long nails. But this turns matte when it's dry. So I am really liking that aspect. And it's not smearing my design any. That is also very much appreciated. Very little bitty bit on there. And you really don't have to go over the whole nail. You could just go over just the image. But I just... habits, you know. Alright, so now I'm going to use the Eliana's Collection Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm trying to use it up. We're going to go over all of these nails because they all went matte. I do have some SheModern information down in the description box if you're interested. And I should have hashtags for Instagram down there as well. I'm going to apply these to my nails with some glue tabs. There we go. And these had a little like thing sticking off the end. And I normally take care of that before I start the manicure. But this time I forgot. And so we're just going in real quick before we do the swatch photos and getting rid of those little pokey bits. There is the first swatch photo. I have 3. Let me know which pose is your favorite. I would love your input on this info here. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.